Hi everyone, so welcome to Networking 2 and I'm going to make my final project for creating cable for straight through cable and crossover cable. So, I am Philip Jomar Monterola and my lecturer is Miss Catherine Martinez, PSIT, Section 2, Batch 2, and Term 3. So what are the materials? Materials are crimping tool, RG45, UTP cable, cable tester, wire stripper, and we're going to mix straight through cable and then crossover. Let's watch. This is the cable tester, crimping tool, UTP cable, and the RG45. So start with the straight through cable. So that's, as you can see, I'm stripping the wire and see the wire with the different colors. You see the white and green, white and orange, blue, white and blue, orange, white and brown, and then brown. White, brown. So kailangan po magiging pantay siya, kasi pag hindi siya pantay pag pinasok sa RG45, hindi ho siya gagana. Then kailangan lang natin siyang ituwid and then and then let's pasok natin sa RG45. So kailangan po sunod-sunod yung kulay and then maayos po ang pagkalagay. Yan. So pag pinasok mo siya, meron kang tick, ibig sabihin okay po yun. Then ayan, tenes ko na siya sa tester cable natin and then as you can see, gumana po siya 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ibig sabihin okay po yung gawa. So yan, as you can see, gumana po siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, let's proceed to crossover. So then, we have to choose from the proper color wiring, which is the white orange, orange, white green, white brown, brown, green, blue, and then white blue. So and click. The other side. In that part, medyo inayos ko lang yung wiring dyan para maganda tingnan. Yan po. Yan, and 1 for 3, 2 for 6, 3 for 1, 4 for 7, 5 for 8, 6 for 2, 7 for 4, and then 8 for 5. Yan, as you can see, gumana po siya. Yan po ang tinatawag na crossover cable. 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 2, 7, 4, and then 8, 5. That's 8, 5. ito po ang gawa natin. And that's all. Thank you!